Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Argyle Park is a quiet residential neighborhood in the northwest corner of Regina, Saskatchewan. Developed primarily during the 1970s and 1980s, Argyle Park reflects the suburban growth that followed Regina's population expansion during that period. Today, Regina has a population of just over 220,000 people, and neighborhoods like Argyle Park play an important role in housing much of that community. Argyle Park is known for its practical layout, with wide streets, single-family homes, and easy access to parks and schools. The area was designed with families in mind, and it remains a popular choice for residents looking for a quieter pace of life while staying connected to the city. Green spaces such as parks and playgrounds are woven throughout the neighborhood, offering a relaxed environment that contrasts with Regina's busier downtown core. The neighborhood is also conveniently located near major roadways, making it easy to travel across Regina. Shopping centers, grocery stores, and everyday services are just a short drive away, giving residents both comfort and convenience. While Argyle Park itself is not a tourist destination, it offers a genuine look at everyday life in Regina, something many travelers find interesting when exploring a new city. Like much of Regina, Argyle Park experiences the full range of prairie seasons. Winters can be long and cold, with temperatures often dropping well below freezing, while summers are warm and sunny, creating a strong sense of seasonal contrast. This climate has shaped how neighborhoods are built and how people live, with a strong focus on community and resilience. Regina itself is the capital of Saskatchewan and serves as the political and cultural heart of the province. Originally established as a small settlement in the 1880s, Regina became the territorial capital in 1883 and was later named after Queen Victoria, whose Latin title was Regina, meaning Queen. The arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway played a major role in its early growth, connecting the city to the rest of the country. One of the most defining moments in Regina's history occurred in 1912, when it officially became the capital of the newly formed province of Saskatchewan. Over time, the city developed into a center for government, education, and agriculture. Regina is also known for the Royal Canadian Mounted Police Training Academy, often referred to as the Depot Division, which has been located here since 1885. The city faced significant challenges as well, including the Regina Cyclone of 1912, one of the deadliest tornadoes in Canadian history. It caused widespread destruction and loss of life, but the city rebuilt and continued to grow. Today, Regina is a modern prairie city with a diverse economy that includes government services, agriculture, energy, and manufacturing. It is also home to Wascana Center, one of the largest urban parks in North America, offering scenic views, walking trails, and cultural landmarks. This area serves as a gathering place for both locals and visitors throughout the year. Culturally, Regina has a strong arts and sports scene. It is home to the Saskatchewan Roughriders, a team with a passionate fan base that spans the entire province. Events, festivals, and museums add to the city's appeal, giving travelers a chance to experience both history and contemporary prairie life. For visitors, Regina offers a blend of history, open space, and a slower pace that reflects its prairie roots. It provides a clear picture of life in central Canada, grounded, resilient, and shaped by the wide open landscape that surrounds it. Thanks for watching!